In this video, I will show you how to make a typical Chinese dish, pork belly stir fry. It's super easy and delicious, goes perfectly with white rice. Okay, let's get started. Today I have 280 grams of pork belly, 2 green peppers and 3 chili peppers. It's totally up to you to decide the level of spiciness. You can change the type of chili pepper or you can go without it. The flavor will still be good. The first step is to slice the pork belly. The thickness of each piece of meat shouldn't be more than 0.2 centimeters. As you can see, my knife isn't the sharpest to cut the fat. To save your time, you can also use kitchen scissors. Then we smash 3 cloves of garlic and chop them in half. Cut the chili peppers and green peppers into chunks. Remember that here you need to rotate the peppers after each cut so that the chunks you get have a larger cross section and the flavor of the peppers is more easily released to the dish. Now the ingredients are ready. Turn on the high heat, but don't add any oil to the pan. Just simply fry the peppers. This step is necessary to stimulate the rich flavor. Add a spoonful of salt and fry the peppers until you see the skin is slightly burned. Then take a clean pan, heat the oil and fry the pork belly over medium heat. When both sides have taken color, add a tablespoon of broad bean sauce. I have included a picture here in case you need to buy this sauce at the Chinese market. It just adds another spicy and salty flavor to the dish, and I recommend having it in your kitchen. Now add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. The mouth-watering smell should make you hungry, but hang in there, it's just a few more steps to go. Adding both peppers and mix them well. Finally, add a spoonful of sugar to balance out the flavor. You know what? Sugar is the ultimate secret weapon to bring out the umami of a savory dish. And that's it! Look at the dish. You have got the meat, the veggies, and all the rich flavors. All you need now is a bowl of rice, or maybe 2, and you can enjoy your meal. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next Thursday!